How to clone a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. So ensure that Git is installed on your system. If it is not installed, download it from Git. Let me show you. Right, you can just go to the git-scm and .com. Just give me a second, let me show you up. Right, and this is it. And here you can just go to the download and download for Windows. Right, once you go to the download and here select your, mine is 64-bit. Usually there's always 64-bit most of the time. And here you have to install GitHub. Now have Visual Studio Code, right? So it is already a product of Microsoft. So here this is a Visual Studio Code. Now you have to also install it on your system. Right, just go to the downloads here and click for downloads and you have to install it. This is mainly used for the coders, right? Now here you have to launch your Visual Studio Code. Now once you open your Visual Studio Code here, click on this Git icon on the side bar on the left, or open command palette by pressing Ctrl Shift plus P. Right, or you can just you can see here and on the screen as I can show you. And in the sidebar, once you go and click on clone a repository, right, and here once you just go and click on clone, alternatively you can type gift and then clone in the command palette and select it. Paste the URL of this GitHub repository you want to clone into this input box. You can find this URL by navigating to the repository on GitHub and clicking the green code button to copy it out. Right, now once you do this, right, after entering this URL, Studio Code will prompt you to choose a location on your local machine where you want to clone this repository. Select your desired folder and click select repository location. And once cloning is complete, you may be prompted to open a cloned repository. Just open it into your current Windows or a new window as per your preference. Now you can have access to all the files in the clone repository and can start working on your project immediately. Thanks for watching.